Hey, I'm Michelle D from the Toggle team, and I'm here to help creative types get crafty with our creative and maker coverage.
Michelle, who is creative and maker coverage for?
Well, as the name implies, creative and maker coverage is for people like me who are creative, or make things, or do both things. It can be art, music, photography, carpentry, pottery. We don't put rules on what your creativity looks like. We just want to help protect what makes your passions possible.
Quick diversion. You're a maker too?
Yep, big fan of crafts. When I'm not helping people understand insurance coverage, you'll find me knitting, pottering, stained glassing, macrameing, cross-stitching, and even dabbling in the dark arts known as punch needling.
So creative and maker can cover all of that?
Great question. Easy answer. Yes. We know people are creating more than ever. So we created coverage that helps you cover it all, like art supplies, craft supplies, cameras, lenses, film equipment, sound recording equipment, projectors, musical instruments, and their carrying cases, DJ equipment, drawing supplies, hand tools, power tools, 3D printers, and laser cutters.
I'm new to DIY insurance. How do I add creative and maker coverage, Michelle?
Totally get that. Any new project can be daunting. At Toggle, we try to make things super simple. Just use your phone to go to gettoggle.com, toggle on creative and maker coverage, and adjust it to your desired coverage amount up to $10,000. So consider adding creative and maker coverage and free your mind to create something amazing.